In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes on time card in Homebase. We will walk through each step so your time records stay clear and accurate. First, open the Homebase app or website. If you are on a phone or tablet, tap the Homebase icon. If you are on a computer, open your browser and go to the Homebase site, then sign in. Once you are logged in, you should see your usual Homebase dashboard with menus for schedules, time tracking, and other tools. Now go to Time Clock or Timesheets. On the app, look for the section labeled Time Clock or Timesheets in the main menu. On the website, you will see a navigation bar with a Timesheets option. Tap or click that. The screen should change to a list of dates and shifts, usually grouped by employee or by day. Next, open the employee's time card. From the Timesheets area, choose the employee whose shift you need to explain. This might be your name or someone on your team. When you select the employee, Homebase will show their time card, with a list of shifts, start and end times, and total hours. Take a second to confirm the pay period dates at the top so you know you are on the right time card. From there, select the shift you want to update. Look for the specific date and shift that needs a note, then tap or click that row. The shift details will open, showing things like clock in time, clock out time, breaks, and total hours worked. Many people forget this step and try to add a note from the main list, but the note must be attached to a specific shift. With that ready, click or tap Add Note. In the Shift Details window, find the Add Note option, usually near the bottom or beside the hours. Tap or click it once. A text box or small pop-up will appear, ready for you to type. You will know it worked when you see a blinking cursor inside the note field. Now type your note or explanation. Use clear language so anyone reading it later understands what happened without asking you. For example, you can explain missing punches, scheduled changes, or special circumstances. Homebase will keep this text linked to that exact shift so managers and payroll can review it later. You might type something like forgot to clock out. This tells your manager that the end time on the shift is not accurate and may have been adjusted. Simple notes like this prevent confusion when someone reviews your hours. Another example is stayed 30 minutes late. That tells whoever approves payroll that you worked extra time beyond the scheduled shift. It is helpful to include whether it was approved overtime if your workplace tracks that closely. After you finish, save the note. Look for the Save or Done button near the note field and tap or click it. The note will now appear under that shift on the time card, and it stays there even if you close the screen or sign out. You just learned how to add clear notes to a home-based time card so your shifts are fully explained. If this helped you clean up your time cards, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick home-based guides.